Last week you saw GDP and PCE. Both number came down, but still your long-term view, soft landing, that thing is not changing. And you can say after these two number, possibility of soft landing is increasing. And if you see from top to bottom, then price is now trading near fifth retracement zone, and you saw instant rejection above 50% retracement level after a good news for rate cut speculator. And first you have static support, then this trend line as a strong dynamic support. So if trend line break out, then you can say technically gold bearish sentiment are increasing, because first you can see big rejection from fifth retracement zone, and big trend line breakout will be bad news for gold buyers. So first this trend line and this static horizontal support level near 2045, and your inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, all steps are almost complete, and this was your tiny retest of neckline after breakout. And if you do wave counting, then wave Y have sub wave of AVC and 38% projection completed exactly at 2070. On intraday, if price stay down below 2070, then next big support is 50% retracement of this last wave near 2043. That's mean your static horizontal support level. So this fifth zone, trend line, static support, all of those things are at same place from 2036 to 2047. If this entire support area break out, then you can say that was first impulsive wave, then correction, then next impulsive wave is coming. But this area from 2070 to 80 upside, 2030 to 45 from downside. These are your big horizontal support and resistance zone. Until this level breakout, there is no trend sideways gold. You can see since November 29, gold is sideways, no change in price. It goes up, goes down, but in the end it is sideways. And this is last week and big holiday week in USA. No big news, and if FOMC members say something, then all of them are already hawkish, and if they give hawkish speech again, then market cannot forever ignore hawkish FOMC member. Monday you will have holiday, then you can expect action after Tuesday, but mostly big holiday season in biggest economy. So for intraday trader, you have crystal clear horizontal support and resistance, and long term view varies because of soft landing. And more price stay below 2070, more possibility will increase that this was your counter trend correction. And any price above 2050, you can say rate cut expectation in next month 25 basis point, and second rate cut in March month 50 basis point. So I am repeating again and again, there will be no rate cut in January month, and when that price out, gold will come down, and you have already seen instant rejection above 2050 level. I am okay with 25 basis point, but 50 basis point is again a wrong thing. If you increase your level from H1 to H4, then you have crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. 2040 is your big horizontal support level. Above this level, you can say bulls are happy, keep speculating, rate cut next month. But below this level, there is only one big support, 2015. If you see on Friday, you saw rejection above 2050 level, and it is big daily candlestick, so nobody can ignore the price action above 2050. If you see this resistance zone, then you can see this is 6 time price testing this resistance zone but getting instant rejection. And this is the thing you miss always on 5-minute chart. So first you have big resistance zone from 2050 to 2080, and you have big macro region like rate cut next month. So again, any price above 2080 is overbought for gold, big resistance zone. And Fed FOMC have said crystal clear, they have only said 3 rate cut. But market is greedy and crossing the limit. So after this big resistance zone, daily time frame have no big support before 1934. Because that oil war news is inflationary, if that war does not stop, then that rate cut can turn bearish for gold. For technical trader, weekly chart, 2 blue candlestick and all the technical reason to be bullish on gold. But this is holiday week and this is correction or next impulsive wave. This thing will not be clear this week. And if you see monthly chart, this month you saw big rejection above all-time high 2075. If everyone is bullish on gold, flood of money from big money manager, then why it is trading below 2075? Why they are not buying gold? First, I am against January rate cut. Second, you can see there is 1 month. Even if they start rate cut in March, then you have so much time. I don't think you can get crystal clear answer that there will be rate cut in March before beginning of March. So let's see where December month candlestick close, above all-time high or below your quadruple top. Gold 3 month, 1 year and 6 month chart. Since this week all of this candlestick will change, investor on this time frame will make their decision this week and next week too. And if 5-minute time frame trader account explode because of this big player changing their portfolio, then look at this 1 year chart of gold. Since 2001 to 12, gold was up every year, non-stop blue candlestick. And this year 2 times it tried to test 1800, but 1823 is big resistance for many years. You sold and now crying. Now soft landing is your only hope. A price goes back there, but 1 year chart is super bullish. But same like October and November, you saw big change in market. Why you will get crystal clear answer where gold will go 2024 1 year in advance. And if you see quarterly chart, be careful if all of this buyer take profit on last week. So back to H1 chart, I have explained everything. The big reason behind this big horizontal support and resistance. Until January rate cut priced out from gold market, I am bearish, and if this trend line break, then everyone will think same.